Faded dog.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Look, he eating a hot dog and shit.
Medium breaks up in this bitch, cuz.
Oh, the wiener.
Faded dog. Faded dog. Faded dog.
Shit, faded dog.
Faded dog.
See?
Cut that.
You see? I told you to take it off, Dieguito.
Faded dog.
Something to eat.
Faded dog.
All right, so we got the motor in. Diego's gonna come back later and put it all together for his pops.
Faded dog. Tire.
So now we are. So today we going over to Del Valley headquarters where Diego's putting the motor in the BBS. We're gonna go see what these guys are doing. We're gonna sneak up on them, and then we're probably gonna wash the truck because this thing is filthy from going to California and all that. So let's go see what they're doing over here at Gomez Built. See if we can sneak up on them real quick. So I pulled up on him. I couldn't sneak up on him because he was already out here. So we got shots by Diego Vlogs out here. They putting in the motor. Got the old school one. Oh boy, all the letters missing too. Here we go. So we over here at Gomez Built.
This is Del Valley headquarters.
Del Valley headquarters. We got the lowrider right here. And I'm sure Game Mone's around here somewhere. I mean Ramon. So they over here working on the Trailblazer.
Look, I'm gonna go get this back piece because Omar broke this one.
It's
just this.
It's just the top piece.
Yeah, and then I have that one inside, or we could just.
Don't you have the other one?
Yeah, I have it. I took it off, but my back window doesn't open now.
Oh, so here we are. We over here. Gomez Built. He doing his thing. He about to put in. We putting in a 2-cylinder motor.
Motor from a scooter.
Yeah, motor from a scooter. It'll have 65 horsepower. He might be able to make it out of first gear. It'll be tight. Sheesh. Well, let's see what they doing over here. Look at that mother. Yeah, boy.
Where you put the spark plugs in.
Yeah, it's brand new, dog. All right, we're gonna have to take a small smoke session for me, since you know we the sober boys. I ain't
Faded
drinking.
dog.
Faded dog. Stay tuned. We're gonna have the Faded Dog T-shirts, hats, stickers, thongs. We got thongs and everything. Oh, my boy right here. Look. He eating a hot dog and shit.
Medium breaks up in this bitch, cuz.
Oh, the wiener. Oh, I thought this fool was drinking a beer already. Well, I guess the cherry picker ain't going up high enough, so we gotta go get another one. Yeah, that's not high enough. Not even close. Why don't you lift it, bro? Just lift it up and put it in there. Shouldn't be too bad. That wrench has been sitting in there since it was parked at your house. It won't come off. He's gonna put these rims on it right here, dog. So we had to go to the homie's house and get another engine hoist because this fool didn't have no fluid in his.
Hey.
But we gonna get it in there today.
Hey. Faded dog.
So we got new engine hoist. So we go over there and now we can drop it. Since that won't broken. All right, so we got the new engine hoist. Let's see if we put this motor in here and get it dropped. I don't know, about an hour, something like that. We'll see.
We have to fucking. You have to what? We're gonna have to fill it up. Fill what up? This one. Oh, the fluid?
I'm gonna edit a guy on the other side of him in the video.
What are you doing to that? Love it. Put my face in it.
And you'll be like this. Oh shit. loud.
Oh. Oh, easy.
Motherfucker, huh? This is what I decided to do.
Think about the money.
The money. That's what I get to do on my day off.
All right, now let's scoot it forward. Yeah. Move that one out of the way.
That one don't have enough weight.
Watch out, this push.
New motor, brand new,
Dumbass. All right, let's see.
brand new motor mounts.
This one did it.
Yeah, you. There's supposed to be two. No, the other one didn't come like that.
I'm gonna go check over here.
Yeah, because your dad dropped something earlier. Alright. Agarraste pinche 6
So
by 8.
Diego lost nuts. He lost his nuts.
Yeah.
Where did you get the parts from? Oh shit! Hey, you gotta do the I'm faded dog with that shit, dog.
Faded dog.
Wait, do it again.
I'm faded dog. Well, let's see what it does. What it do? Faded dog.
Dropped in there. Almost to the motor mounts.
Okay, so you know what we can do? I think what we're gonna have to do is loosen up the bolts so we can.
Oh, we almost got it up in there. Had this shit running by the night. At the sideshow getting sideways, cuz.
Faded dog.
Shit faded, dog. Need another beer. No, I'm just joking. We ain't even drinking. We drinking Arizona iced tea and shit. Yeah, boy. Then we're gonna paint this motherfucker too. Having problems because there's actually a wrench stuck down in there. It would have gave it extra horsepower, dog.
Faded dog.
See?
Cut that.
You see? I told you to take it off, Dieguito.
Oh shit. And this fool pull up so he can put in his 2 cents, tell us how we're doing it wrong and shit.
This is supervisor. This is supervisor.
The supervisor.
See, wait, but my stupid ass. Diego stupid ass forgot to take off a fucking bolt.
A wrench that's sitting on one of the bolts on the transmission. So now we got the wrench that was blocking everything back there out. So now we could put the motor in there.
Technically, the motor was already in.
Yeah, it was already in, but there was a bolt in the way.
Alright, Diego.
The motherfucker in there on the mounts.
You already know.
Transmission's lined up. He got here.
I actually got here, but these niggas that all just work right now.
Faded dog.
I had to say the video. I actually got here.
Faded dog.
Hands dirty because that's actually a Dub's hand right now.
Yeah.
Hands are dirty right now.
Man, he just went like this on the floor. He's like,
Now, what do you do?
Look at this fool. Woo!
Yeah.
Musty and dusty.
Hey, you got 19?
We got little Diego over here. He gonna put the rest of the motor together and get it running.
Yeah.
Hey, how about
There you
that?
go.
Yeah, boy.
Master mechanic right here with the Yeezy boost on.
Yeah, with the Yeezys. Jeez.
Shit, y'all saying ain't working like this.
That's right.
Not even the owner of the truck has put this much work in his Dieguito.
He's the owner.
He's like, hey, yo, shit. Well, shower.
We got it in there. We're probably gonna go wash my truck, get something to eat.
Hey, the dog.
All right, so we got the motor in. Diego's gonna come back later and put it all together for his pops.
Say the dog. Tired.
So now we off to start drinking. No,
I am. You're fair today. Fuck.
which way do I go, Doug?